Everybody's coming up.
All right, keep going. We got a lot more to go. Come on,
Amelia, come on, honey.
I actually just got here. Oh, did you?
All right, let's work.
Okay.
We got some hard workers in this barn. That's awesome. Come on, Lydia, can you give me a scoop? Whoa, be careful. Good job.
Push it in here for me. This is Mary. Oh, she's so soft, like Mary had a little lamb. Look, he needs a fresh home. There we go. Come on, Amelia.
Don't panic. Don't worry.
We're this way, that way we can. All right, now
Okay,
let's
put your
start on
clothes
the
on if you want to
bucket
put your clothes
some.
on. You don't have to. Go for it, Christopher.
Okay,
And just wipe it in your pants. It's okay.
Yep.
Christopher, just go like this.
Let's see who can fill up their
Good job.
buckets first.
Oh,
a challenge.
challenge.
And you can do both buckets.
Kaden, stick that in your pocket.
Charlie.
Guys, back in line. Do it again. Addie, Aurora, do it again. Okay, we got a job. Pick up the ones on the. Will you pick up the ones on the ground? So we can take advantage of everything.
Oh, sorry.
Yes! We won!
Yeah, she picked a random person to feed
I
them.
can carry it. I can carry it. Bad.
That's a big one.
Hanging out with Babe. Hi. Tell me about why you like the farm animals. Billy the goat? I know Billy Goat up there.
Oh yeah, exactly.
What's the best part about coming here?
The animals.
Why do you love the animals?
Because they're so cute. Because they have make feathers.
What's that?
They make feathers.
Cool.
They have feathers on them too.
Uh-huh.
They make eggs.
Who's your favorite animal today?
Dog. The dog has the big feathers. Kitties. Rabbit. Kitties. Dogs. Rabbit. Pigs. Ducks.
We're here with the dog program through the prison. The North Carolina DOP has the program called the dog program, and for 3 months we get to take care of a dog, and for 3 months we get to come out here to the farm and work out here like feeding the animals, and lately we've been mending fences and burning brush and stuff like that. When we come out here to the farm, or when we go out with a sponsor to eat or to church or something, it makes us feel like we're human, like somebody actually cares. It's like it's not such a desperate situation. That love, you can tell that, because in prison there's so much hate and anger and people want you to do bad. So whenever somebody comes in and they do show you that love and that caring, it's just like, oh, okay, there is still hope. Always growing up, we had dogs and cats. My mom has, with my daughter, she has goats and chickens and geese and stuff now, and a horse. So it's kind of like, for me, it was kind of like come out here and learn more about the animals, so that when I go home, it won't be so much for my mom to have to try to teach me to help take care of the animals and stuff.
Sure about how I would be out here with animals, because I haven't got a lot of experience with animals, but it's been an eye-opening experience, and now I love them. They're great. They're just, all they want is some love, and it's a great program. I enjoy it. I've been in for 6 years, so this is the first time I get out, and this is such a peaceful and blessed place that it gives me peace of mind every day when I come out here. And because it's a lot of junk, you know, living in a prison 24/7, and out here it's just fresh air, sunshine, animals. It's great. It's great. It's the best thing I've done. It's the best thing for me.
Yeah, I have to agree with all that. It's like there's no drama out here. Like we get along well out here, so it's like when we come out here, there's no drama, there's no chaos, there's no arguing. It's just, we come out here and enjoy the time out here, and it makes being at the prison easier to deal with.
Right. And like we were very blessed to get each other, because like we work well. There's no animosity, no anything between us except for straight partners, you know. There's nothing she couldn't ask me to do, and vice versa. And that makes it really good, because you don't have a lot of that.
Yeah.
Oh, your feathers resting? Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh.